everybody, and welcome to this little practice speech thing that I'm going to be doing today. It's going to be like part 1 of 3, kind of. I'm going to be giving this one at a public venue, apparently, if we can find one. Anyway, this is sort of like a sales pitch as to like why people should buy the RPC public speaking curriculum. I wouldn't have picked that topic, but anyway, here we go. So, when I first started being a teenager and the wonderful things that are entailed with that, I sort of became a bit of a recluse where I would only talk with close friends, my sister, and my parents on occasion, and if I did talk to people outside of that, it was incredibly casual and very, like, snippy, I guess would be the word for it. I was very quick, cut to the point, very casual with everybody. I was calling my friends' parents by their first names. I was not thinking before I spoke. I couldn't speak to teachers or, like, headmasters that I had. Like, I couldn't talk to my Taekwondo teachers at all. It was awkward and horrible, and I was not very good at it. But anyway, my mom, thank heavens, she noticed what was going on, and she added public speaking to my curriculum for my freshman year, if I remember correctly. Maybe this is sophomore year? I don't remember. Yeah, I think sophomore year. She added that for this year, and I was like, okay, yeah, sure, whatever, public speaking, fine. And I started doing the work. Let me tell you right now, the work was not that hard. Like, the lessons themselves are like maybe 5, maybe 10 minutes, depending on how long your speech is, and I noticed, like, outside of the classes, I was actually starting to talk better to people. Like, I could better get my thoughts across and, like, convince people easier. I was talking like a human being, basically, and less like a little monster that never saw the outside of the closet. And, like, I kept doing the work, I kept doing it, I was enjoying what I was doing, I enjoyed being on camera and talking to the wall, basically, even though nobody watches these. So, and honestly, it's just been super beneficial. Like, I can talk to people, I can explain how I feel about things a lot better. Right now is not a good example, but, and I can talk to adults, too. Like, they understand what I'm saying, and, like, we're both basically speaking the same language. It's pretty amazing, and honestly, I would recommend that you would get this. Like, you, the person watching this, if you had, like, any problem with, like, getting over the fear of public speaking, or doing whatever, trust me, this course helps, because it gives you, like, tips on how to do things, how to practice them, how to not sound like an idiot, sort of deal, and honestly, I don't know how much the course is, but I don't think it's that bad, so if you want to buy it, then it's just run Paul curriculum and then buy the public speaking class. And it's fun, it's beneficial, and it helps everyone, like, people of all ages. It'll work for your 90-year-old grandma, it'll work for your 8-year-old sister, it'll work for your 40-year-old boss, all that stuff. So, that's it, that's my little practice speech. I'm going to be fleshing it out more in the weeks to come. And, yeah, stay safe, goodbye.